Hi everyone, welcome back to the I-84 Corridor Monthly Update and Happy New Year. I'm Matt Kreisenbeck, the Community Outreach Coordinator for District 3 of the Idaho Transportation Department. This month, I'm going to give you a look ahead at what is coming in 2026. There are a lot of improvements to look forward to this year, and there will also be some big traffic impacts along the way. I want to give you a heads up now so you can plan ahead. Let's start with the Centennial Way to Franklin Road Interchange project. I'm at 10th Avenue in Caldwell today, as this interchange is going to see some of the biggest changes on the corridor. Bridge demolition is complete. Next, crews will work on the south side of 10th Avenue Bridge and continue building new eastbound lanes on I-84. This coming spring, there will be major ramp closures at 10th Avenue. The 10th Avenue eastbound off-ramp and the 10th Avenue eastbound on-ramp will close for around 90 days. During that time, drivers should plan to use the Centennial Way and Franklin Road interchanges. While crews are doing that work, eastbound I-84 lanes between Centennial Way and 10th Avenue will shift over and eastbound traffic will run on the westbound side for several months. Then summer brings another big closure to plan for. Once the ramps reopen at 10th Avenue, the Centennial Way eastbound on-ramp will close for about 60 days while crews construct the new ramp and connection to the new eastbound lanes. People often ask why these closures take so long. The reason is that crews have to dig up several feet of the old roadway, install underground utilities, rebuild the road base, and then place concrete. Concrete also needs time to set up and cure before traffic can resume driving on it. As we get into the fall, drivers should expect more eastbound traffic shifts as crews move into the next phase of work. The goal is to keep traffic moving while construction continues. The best way to keep up with closure dates and detours is to sign up for email and text alerts. That is where you will see the latest dates, detour routes, and reminders before each phase starts. Now let's switch to the Karcher Interchange project. If it has seemed quieter lately, that is because construction is on a brief hold for winter. When spring arrives, crews will get back to work on the free-running right turn lane at the westbound off-ramp. After that, crews will wrap up the remaining work and the project is expected to finish in late summer. I also want to highlight something else happening along the corridor. ITD is working on a study to evaluate future needs and potential improvements on I-84 between State Highway 44 and Centennial Way in Caldwell. We will be hosting a public meeting on Wednesday, February 18th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. at the trolley station in Middleton. If you drive that section of I-84, I certainly hope you will join us. Hearing from drivers in nearby communities helps ITD understand what is working and what should be improved next. Before I go, here's a quick winter safety reminder. A short vehicle inspection before you drive can help a lot in the winter. Make sure your tires have good tread, your brakes are in good working order, and your windshield washer fluid is topped off. This definitely helps make your commute safer and helps you reach your destination. That is our January look ahead. Big changes are coming in 2026, especially here at 10th Avenue. Sign up for email and text alerts using the information on your screen. As always, thank you for watching and drive safe.